Bedanya rasa cintaku. Ini Sarah melewat, sorry. Ini Sarah melewat. Cakep mak gue, ya Allah.
Ah, bisa dong.
Malah miring-miring gitu.
Serius?
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 Jadi gue.
Wow. Ini minyaknya bodybuilder ya?
Buat lagi tanding.
Dimulai, Zai. Minyak goreng, Zai.
Hi, Patricia.
I, Patricia,
Take you, Daniel.
take you, Daniel,
To be my married husband.
to be my married husband,
To have and to hold.
to have and to hold,
From this day forward.
from this day forward,
For better or worse.
for better or worse,
For richer or poorer.
for richer and richer and richer.
Hampir selesai nih, tapi wait, kita bakal lanjut ke reception. Jadi karena waktu udah mepet, karena gue kebaikan foto, yes, gue langsung lah pergi ganti baju, ganti makeup. It takes around 1 hour, tapi kita belum bisa masuk-masuk nih. Jadi kayak acara gue sebenarnya agak telat 30 menit gitu karena sempat hujan lagi dan juga agak ada badai gitu. Jadi we have to wait gitu buat orang-orang juga move ke owner villa, dan juga ada beberapa pada nggak bisa masuk karena emang kondisi di dalam itu tuh terpontang-panting lah gitu. Jadi banyak dekorasi yang kayak piringan gitu tuh pada jatuh gitu karena dari angin-angin tersebut. Kak, dia muat gak sih, Kak?
Muat.
Astagfirullah.
Aduh, ini sih aleng-aleng bantuin gue.
Astagfirullahaladzim. Cuy, giniin badan lo. Udah, Cong. Dadanya depanin.
Muat, cuman kecil banget. Ini.
Kok gue suka nyiksa gue?
Apa
ya. Kok gue suka nyiksa gue emang?
Mata gue kinceng. Nah, dah. Oh.
Orang tuh mata belok gitu loh. Kayak belok banget. Katanya kan mau ini, show dong. Iya. Jangan. This is your day. One day you will be the bride as well. Say it now. Nek, mendingan gue pakai bel dulu apa gue keluarnya biasa dulu?
Pakai bel dulu.
Pakai bel langsung dong, kan grand entrance kan?
Grand entrance.
Dennis, gunting.
Laparan dari tadi beneran.
Satu porsi, ini makannya satu porsi. Bukan sesuap, bilangnya minta sesuap satu porsi, habis. Nambah?
Masih ada lagi satu bang.
Ada sama apa lagi?
Namanya nih.
Dah. Gue bau soto.
Acara mulai dan gue percayain banget acara gue dengan Maria Christy dan juga Edric Chandra. Of course, Koko Edric Chandra sebenarnya tuh groomsman gue, tapi juga merangkap juga MC gue. Aduh, pokoknya udah deh ya.
Mana suaranya sih? Boleh minta suaranya? Semangat.
Jadi Kodamon ke kamar gue langsung dia bilang kondisinya ABCDE gimana nih segala macam, terus gue decide untuk kayak what do you think Kodamon suggest-nya semuanya udah berserah banget, semuanya udah kayak hopeless. Jadi orang suksesnya sudah nyuruh kita pindah ke ballroom untuk safety gitu loh. But then sayang banget kan, all the decoration is so pretty, semuanya udah hard work and everything. Ya udah, you know what? Kita akan do the grand entrance di tenda sampai kalau misalnya hujan lagi, badai lagi, kita langsung pindah gitu.
Sedikit rubah acaranya, Bet. Ini cuma angin, nggak ada hujan. Jadi semua tetap masuk ke tenda. Tapi memang di tenda itu kalau dalam jangka waktu yang panjang, ya mungkin agak sedikit a little bit worry ya bakalan ya. Nah, maksud gua, lu masuk, band main, lampu tetap semua sesuai konsep semua. Foto video, kita langsung cepat foto semua yang mau foto, foto semua sama tamu-tamu yang mau foto, fotoin, selesai makan pindah. Tapi kalau memang misalkan nanti tahu-tahu tidak ada angin, ya udah jalan.
Berarti ballroom tetap disiapin ya?
Ballroom disiapin, tapi prioritasnya bukan untuk orang datang pet go datang langsung makan, tapi datang lu speech, lu mau apa, lu mau ngomong thank you buat teman-teman apa segala, terus bla bla bla, habis gitu langsung foto, bukan biasa kan harusnya makan. Ini foto, selesai, ya udah baru kita ngeliat bisa makan atau kita harus pindah. Cuma satu problemnya, orang akan ngomel dipindah ke OV, dari OV dipindah lagi ke ballroom. Asal lu oke, gua jalan.
Untuk kenyamanan dan keamanan semuanya, itu aja.
Ya udah, ya. Deal ya?
Yes, deal.
Oke, yuk. Tamu 70% sudah ada. Ntar kita akan mulai prosesi. Lo masuk, speech, terus kita foto. Nanti terakhir ada dance with father, dance with Daniel, kiss, itu puncaknya. Kita nggak bisa makan.
What's it again?
The ending of the event on the tent, you will dance with Ted and do the wedding kiss.
Okay.
Because like we're just gonna do the main thing, yes, the main thing.
You dance, right?
Right?
Dance with the dance.
Yes.
Ya. Kalau nggak worst case ya ada sisa nggak? Worst case.
Supaya dapat puncaknya di sini.
Okay, let's go. Okay.
Wait.
And then, so the wind is so strong and we might need to.
Kita mulai ya.
Ya. Sekarang aja kok, sekarang.
We proudly present to you the bride and groom, Daniel and Patricia.
Lihat dong dressnya Yogi Pratama buat grand entrance gue. Show!
Semuanya ya.
Try our best to like have a long picture with you guys because I know I'm gorgeous. Thank you. So please everyone, please stay until after party, okay?
Thank you, everybody. Thank you for all the help and support and we feel the love. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
For love, for prosperity, for a better life, and for the celebration of love from Daniel and Patricia. Everybody!
Daniel and Patricia, those and
Terus tambah lagi nih ada Noella sama Regina. Jadi awalnya tuh gue minta requestnya lagu tuh Never Enough sama This Is Me. Cuma mungkin mereka lihat kondisinya mereka ganti, gak masalah, semuanya happy. Ntar gue sumbang ya 1-2 lagu ya. Oke. Kok kayak semacam satu album mereka ya. Terus Novia Bahmit. Jadi gue undang dia, terus dia bisa datang last minute. Terus gue kayak oh seneng banget. Kak nanti aku sumbang lagu. Makasih. Satu aja gak apa-apa. Gue bilang karena emang gue suka banget kalau dia nyanyi Unstoppable. Ya Tuhan Yesus Kristus, suaranya keren banget. Yes. Dan dia nyanyiin Unstoppable. Salah satu entertainer yang gue pengen banget ada di nikahan gue adalah Angela Jolie. Gue pengen banget dia perform karena emang keluarga gue kan banyak yang cenong ya, which is bukan banyak kan, emang cenong ya say. Dan gue pengen ngasih liat ponakan-ponakan gue juga, keluarga gue. Salah satu entertainer di Indonesia yang keren banget, Cina juga, bisa main harpa, suaranya bagus banget gitu kan. Karena emang keluarga gue kan mungkin jarang ya say untuk melihat konser-konser seperti itu. Jadi awalnya tuh Cici Angela emang datang, dia bilang ntar gue sumbang lagu ya gitu. Ya udah 1-2 lagu, oke. Tapi dia nggak bisa bawa harpa gitu. Oh ya udah deh, karena kalau harpa mehong ya pasti ya say. Tapi udah deh, gue dikasih nyanyi aja udah gak apa-apa ya say. Udah puji Tuhan banget. Tiba-tiba Ci Angela Jolie sama suaminya bawa harpa dong. Jadi suaminya ngebantuin masang segala macem.
Kita akan ditemani oleh Angela Jolie.
Pastinya buat Patricia, I know that you are wonderful people. You work so hard, dream so hard, work, and you are a very nice lady.
sebenarnya nggak ada game, tiba-tiba ada game karena mereka udah pada habis makan. Biasa ada Koko Edric, kalau ada Koko Edric harus ada game. Hajar guys. Seru banget. Kayaknya selama ini gue nge-MC pun gue ngerasa cuma di nikahan gue yang orang-orangnya semuanya super kompetitif. Best. Terus masuklah kita ke speech. Sebenarnya awal tuh Koko Edric bilang udah deh nggak usah speech, nanti kayak down gitu loh, maksudnya moodnya turun gitu. Tapi ya malahan sebenarnya speech itu adalah benar-benar momen yang gue tunggu-tunggu banget tuh gitu. Walaupun emang bestie gue ngomongnya agak lama ya say, tapi ya udah deh. I need and I want this moment.
After this, it is a special moment asking by Patricia. Karena kita tahu ya bahwa Daniel dan Patricia ini benar-benar punya satu sahabat yang sungguh luar biasa banget.
Sorry, ini momennya sedih. Lagunya mainnya di D.
Yang banyak punya cerita dan ingin disampaikan. And it is requested by Daniel and Pat.
Lagu sedih.
So please, kita mereka tepuk tangan dulu buat
di nikahan gue mau my best friend ada speech buat gue.
Ini momen yang sering banget aku dan Pat bayangkan dari kita muda pas zaman-zamannya ngomongin pernikahan. Saat kita masih belum bisa ngebayangin punya pesta seperti apa. Yang kita cuma bisa bayangin kita bakalan pakai white dress, wedding dress. Tapi kita tahu saat salah satu dari kita nikah, kita akan banjir air mata bahagia. And it happened now. Your dress, everything, it's all perfect. You are now surrounded by the people who love you. From the very first time she met Daniel, she said he treated Pat like a princess, showering her with lots of surprises and flowers, praise her, all the romantic things. After almost 6 years being together, they found out how irritating and how they being so annoyed when they have disagreement. From baby to itil peda. Dia kalau ngomongin Del, dasar si itil peda gitu. I'm so grateful for you. I'm so happy and proud With all your achievement in career, I'm so happy that you met love of your life, Daniel. Someone who fully support you and accept you as a wonderful person. I'm so happy you are able to reach more people, to help them and be the light. Congratulations for your wedding. We are all happy and honored to be here. I wish you all the goodness, kindness, happiness, and love in this life. Thank you.
Thank you, Fania.
Okay, so a little flashback. Sebenarnya me and Pat actually met a long time ago ya, back in 2010. And in that lifespan, I've made so many memories with you that it's hard for me to choose our favorites. But one thing for sure, it's just never a dull moment with you, even when you're sad. Sometimes I see things that I'm not supposed to see, and it, not that way, bitch. Basically, sometimes it puts me in such an awkward situation. And I realize I'm not only their friend, their third wheeler, their butler, but I'm also their therapist.
You are.
You are one of the most wonderful human beings I've ever known in my life. You are rare, genuine, you radiate positive energy, you make people laugh, and you stand by your faith. And Daniel, thank you for showing my best friend how to love a woman correctly. Just want you to know that I fucking love you and I wish you nothing but lifetime of happiness.
Kan fucking love.
And our rent is still up for 1.5 more years, so let's make the most out of it.
Yeah! Rafael.
I'll start off by letting you all know that I was asked to say something about 20 minutes ago. So I apologize in advance if this speech is terrible. But Dan paid me a lot of money to say nice things, so here we go. I've known Dan for a very long time. He was my first and best friend at Harvard. We traveled the world together and had a ton of adventures. Over the years, I've learned so much about him, including his deepest and darkest secrets. And for $5, I'll let you know all of them. Meet me in the back at the after party. Daniel Bryce Bertoli, you are easily in the top 1% of people that I have ever met, especially when considering all of the dimensions of what it means to be a great human being. And it makes me so deeply happy to see that translate into you being a fantastic husband to Pat. Pat, I wholeheartedly know that Dan can be a pain in the ass.
Obviously.
And it's mostly because his German humor is terrible. Despite whatever personal circumstance, complex situation, or interpersonal dynamics going on, Dan is always able to excel, adapt, and loyally be by your side no matter what. Throughout the years, I found Dan to be a pillar of support, deep insight, and guidance. He's exceptional with his ability to navigate the nuances and complexities of life, despite the set of challenges encountered. You consistently focus on what's important. And your thoughtfulness, business acumen, empathy, and compassion have played a major role in straightening our relationship over the many years that we've known each other. I've always wanted the best for Dan, and I'm so excited that his best, Patricia, is you. I love you both, and I wish you a very beautiful life together.
Can hold my tears. Wow, it's super beautiful.
Wow. When I first met Daniel, I swear to you, I thought he was so weird.
He is weird.
The word psycho comes to mind. So does the word obsessed.
And obsessed.
Though, as time goes by, I can see how much Daniel truly loves and cares for Patricia. And it was the genuine kind of love. The kind that makes you believe in love that really exists, although sometimes a little too much that makes your eyes roll. Like bucin, you know? Your soulmates can be a reflection of you, which is not surprising since they are both equally annoying and stubborn. But Dan, even though you're such a bitch,
he is.
I do think you're a great guy, and I can't think of anyone else who could make her as happy as you did and will continue to. And Pat, I love you very much. You have been an amazing friend to me since day one, and I pray for all the happiness that you deserve. I pray that God will bless your marriage and bless you with an abundance of joy. No words can describe how happy I am for you two. And thank you for making me a part of your special moment here tonight.
Thank you.
We are legally married, and then at the time, my dad and mom couldn't come because they got COVID really bad. And my dad, is really bad, kayak harus paksa, ventilator. So I was crying so bad because my dream is always been like father-daughter dance. And thank God, my dad is healthy and fabulous, handsome. My daddy Duke, my love of my life, my first love. So this is a very special moment for me and my dad. So thank you for staying here till the end. You're gonna dance?
to have some fun.
And please welcome
akhirnya sampai juga di after party. Ini baju Diana M Putri. Siap-siap berjoget, berdendang cus.
Bagiannya dreamnya.
Marcella, Cici Marcella Indah adalah salah satu dream band gue untuk bermain di nikahan ini. Itu udah sempet takut aja. Kalau misalnya di Bali Desa nggak mau. Mau juga, mau.
Jangan lupa jualin gue.
Oh, udah terkenal Anda?
Di seluruh Sabang sampai Merauke.
Amin. Ya, sama di cup makeup. Bye-bye. Para pemain bandnya. Tetap. Oke. Dadah.
Contoh-contohan ini pokoknya Patricia Gao, you look gorgeous. Dan pastinya aku mendoakan kalian berdua punya keluarga ya yang bahagia pastinya. Dan pastinya juga aku berdoa supaya kalian punya pernikahan yang bertahan sampai pada akhirnya jadi kakek nenek. Dan nanti kita rayain lagi berpuluh-puluh tahun kemudian ya. God bless you both. Thank you for having me. Contoh-contohan ini.
Happy wedding buat Pat dan Dan. Semoga selalu bahagia. Akhirnya bisa di-reveal juga. Selalu diberkati pernikahannya. God bless you.
Congratulations Pat sama Daniel.
Happy wedding guys. Thank you so much for everything. Buat kita berdua dari awal banget kita bareng. Itu juga karena support dari kalian dan kita happy banget ngelihat kalian hari ini. Akhirnya semua weddingnya berjalan lancar. Oh happy, seru. Pokoknya yang terbaik buat kalian.
Happily ever after.
Iya, semoga nanti rumahnya semua dilancarkan, dapat anak-anak yang lucu.
Doain bisa nyusul ya.
Amin.
Thank you so much guys for watching my wedding journey. Minta doanya aja yang terbaik untuk pernikahan aku. Didoakan aja ya, say. Yang terbaik, semoga aku dapat rombongan soon. Ya, semoga dikuatkan aja buat teman-teman yang si jomblo. Semangat, kalian bisa. Oke, one day nanti gue akan sharing tentang bagaimana pertemuan aku dan dia segala macam. Tapi nanti aja, oke? Abis ini aku mau berkumpul dengan keluarga.